Recipe to make Qeema Paratha. Oil 3 to 4 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Sauté it. Qeema 250 gram. Cook for 5 minutes. Red chili powder ½ tablespoon. Haldi ¼ tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Sauté it. Add water ½ cup. Let it cook for 15 minutes on slow flame. Black pepper ½ teaspoon. Zira ½ teaspoon. Salt as required. Onion and green chili. Add coriander. Cook for 5 minutes now. Now make lacha paratha. Use ghee. Your paratha is ready to eat. Subscribe to Cooking with Rubail.